daily chart, just I want to give a quick update. And if we refer to our analysis, since the price was here, I mentioned we are going to get one more drop similar to what we have here, and exactly this is what we got. We get because we mentioned we're looking for this flat. That's why I mentioned with the breakout of any of this level, we can expect the price even drop to 38510. As we can see, the first level was 42160. It worked as a support. After the breakout, we see the breakout of 40360, and now we're looking at 38510. All right. By the way, right now we're looking at this flat as a relative to this as a first, second wave. Now we're looking for one more up. And the best thing is, if you want to look for buy, we prefer to see the reversal. We do the breakout of 38510. We do the breakout of this level, because with the breakout of this level, then we can expect the price tag the lowest price of this correction. All right, that's mean if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. If we get a reversal, and still we can look 51k following by 55 300 as this target, and mostly want to see the breakout of this one. Anyway, as what we expected, we get one more drop similar to what we have here, and right now we want to see whether we can look for buy or not. But what I can see here, if this one turns to a deeper correction, we can look for the next drop. Then from there, this is the best if we get. That's why we want to see whether the price can break this support or not. And mostly if you want to look for buy, we want to see the reversal without the breakout of this support. Anyway, based on daily chart, we don't have any trade setup. And if you move to lower time frame based on forward chart, if you put this low relative to the previous one, if you refer to the indicators, one of them showing us a divergence, but MACD doesn't show us a divergence. That's why the possibility for this one to give us one more drop is very high. That's why we are looking for 38510. In that case, both of the indicator we will have the divergence based on both of the indicators, and it will give us better opportunity to look for buy as a long term. Right, and at this point I don't see any trade setup. Having a trader above here, any of them, it depends on the traders, and they need to be quite risky. I mean, it is quite risky, and they need to be quite careful if they want to look for trade by having entry above any of this, similar to what we had here. Simply the price can tag and drop. And even in my last analysis, we discussed about how we can look for trade. That's why we need to be quite careful if anyone wants to look for having entry above any of this one. And the best thing is, if we see the next drop, if there was no breakout, we can look for buy. And at this point, I don't see any trade setup based on forward chart. And even if you move to 1 hour chart, similar explanation. The only way is either we'll see the breakout of this one following by flag, or before we take the trade, or having entry above any of this, which is quite risky. Anyway, we just follow the chart. Still, I mean, the way the market is moving is very corrective. And right now I'm looking at this. And the best things, we see the next drop, then from there we can look for buy. It doesn't mean the price cannot reverse from here. We are looking for the best option. As what we expected, we get there running flat in relative to what we have here. Right now, we're looking for opportunity for buy. And as I mentioned, if the price could break this support, then mostly we will expect the price tag the lowest price. And in that case, this is the only 3 wave as a flat in relative to this for the next drop. We are not looking for sell, we're looking for buy. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.